Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'll show you how you use AI drawing in AiHouse. Alright, let's get into it. So first thing first, you come this render, you come this AI drawing, you left click it. Okay, as you can see here you have camera perspective. Okay, you can change the angle. Okay, you also can come here, you change the ratio. Okay, there's AI rendering and there's AI inspiration. AI rendering, so you can choose all in this your own preference. Okay, or AI inspiration, you can come here, you can press this inspiration. What do you want AI to do? So maybe like nighttime, fireplace, bookshelf, or maybe don't fireplace, we go other things else. So you also can come here and delete. Okay, or you can press in here. So let's say I click some. Okay, maybe a ceiling light. Okay, so maybe tiles floor, wallpaper. Okay, so more or less something like this. Okay, then come here. Okay, then as you can see, you have small picture SD or HD. So this is the resolution, number of plot, how many plots you want to use. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 2 will be have 2 images, 4 will be 4 type, generate 4 type of images, 6 and then 8. So your AI creation will be very precise, very recommend or to be created. Okay, so this is up to your own preference. All right, design in what style. Okay, so you can choose a style also. So let's say I go for mix. Okay, this space definition, so maybe this is living room, so the living room. Okay, then you come inspiration. Okay, once it's done, you'll come here and generate thing for you. Okay, so if you got 4 or 6 or 8 or higher resolution, it will take longer time, so beware of your choosing. Okay, then we have something like this. Okay, so if you like, you can use it. If you don't like, then you can just change again. Okay, see how you want AI to change for you. All right, so for this will be the advanced side. Okay, this one will be the advanced. So let's say what space you want. So what forest, golden or what? So how finest, how multi-graphical. Okay, so maybe let's go for sketches or any hard style. So maybe I can go for watercolor style, oil plane. If you want, okay, there you go. After that, you just press generate. Okay, so let's say you want any part, you can just here to redraw. Okay, so you just press like this, AI will generate for you. Okay, once you create, you'll come here like this. So you have to wait for a while. Okay, so you change something like this. Okay, so let's say you don't want these images, you want to change, you can use this one, area redraw. You draw this layer. Okay, later AI, you want to generate this part, you want to change it. Okay, so you press generate. Okay, AI will immediately change for you. So you have another different type. Okay, so you see here like this. So maybe anything you type, they can just save it, or you can just use it. Okay, or you can download to your desktop. All right. So that is for you. For this is for the AI drawing. All right. Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. Bye.